Coming through with another video too, you don't know. So you guys, I got the 8 series. Yo, this is phenomenal. I cannot believe I was able to find one. As you guys know, I've been on a hunt for one of these 8 series for a very, very long time. And this one came up. It's not in the most perfect condition, but it is the condition I thought I would be picking up, you know? As you guys know, these 8 series are the 90s 8 series. This is the first generation of the 8 series. They were made from 1990 and they stopped production in 1999. They only had 2 variants of these cars. They had either the 840 CI or the 850 CI. You know, they came with the 840s came with the V8s, the 850s came with the V12, and the legendary 850 CSI came with the, I would like to call it the MV12 in this car. Even though it wasn't called the M8, it was literally like an M8 if there was an M8 at the time, you understand? So, but yeah, I mean, these cars are going up in value every single day. You can get one of these cars anywhere on the fair end on things, anywhere from like at the bottom of the barrel, like $10,000. You know, going under that is very risky, which I obviously did because your boy like to take risk, you know. So I mean, I always say big risk, big reward. I mean, it does clearly need some work, but there's a lot of potential with it, you know? I'll go over with you guys how much I paid with the car and everything, but yeah, please like and subscribe to the channel. I really would appreciate it. I'm close to 1,000 subscribers, so that'll be very nice to reach. But yeah, enjoy. So coming in hot, what I'm gonna do for you guys is I'm gonna go over one time of the car so you guys can see the overall condition of the car. I have not touched it by any means, you know, so this is going to be the authentic walk around of the famous 8 series, you know. I'm gonna need some, oh man, badgings. The car definitely needs a repaint. I love the quad mufflers on these things. So nice, so menacing, so awesome. Damn, there's not a bad angle of this car. In my personal opinion, I feel like this is one of the most beautifulest cars, if you can actually say that, that BMW has ever made. Oh, I just realized I'm missing this. Oh gosh. Yeah, I mean, other than the Z8 was really beautiful as well. I would say the M1, the first M1 is also beautiful as well. But this is definitely top 3 by far. What makes this car so cool in my opinion is the pop-up headlights, which I will let you guys see in due time. But yeah, this is cool, you know. Going over, there's a lot of different little flaws on the car, but I mean, it's pretty straight. Number one, the sunroof. Oh gosh. I don't know what's going on there. I don't know if it's leaking. I guess I'm gonna have to find that out at a very later date. But number one, I have to go see what's going on with the sunroof before I even paint the car. I don't know if these are real Brimbos that's on the car, or maybe they're just caps. I don't know. But it looks pretty cool. I don't know the rim. They look like M parallels, but they're actually, I don't know. They have like, I think these are like 3-piece rims. I really like the rim style though, so I'm definitely not going to be changing them because they have such a unique look to them, you know. What is, yeah. So, the brakes too. I think that's OEM. I'm for sure thinking that's OEM for sure. Yeah, but honestly speaking, there's not too much going on the outside that's really detrimental. It obviously it's a Florida car, so expect it to have these type of conditions paint wise, you know. So this is gonna be a problem to get though. I know that for a fact because one of the reasons why people don't actually venture in getting these cars is because the parts are really expensive for obvious reasons. They don't make this car anymore, and whoever has them, they just keep them. So, you know, it's very hard to find these type of parts. But yeah, let me take you guys on the inside. That's where a lot of quirks are, to be honest. So this is the inside. This is the interior. It has a beige interior. I want to go over with you guys. These seats are not OEM. They are not OEM. These seats come out of a E46. Looks to be a 325 CI because, you know, they are functional, believe it or not. Which I can't believe. So if anybody has a E31 8 Series, E46 seats will definitely work. Yeah, so if you ever want to put some better seats in your car, because I feel like the original seats honestly are really big and they do take up a lot of space. So this is actually very comfortable, believe it or not, you know. So yeah, this is the car and everything. Open up the thing here. So the back seats fold down, but they're so small. There's a tear right there. I mean, for a 90s car, I mean, like I said, you're looking at a, what, almost 30-year-old car, if not 30. Yeah, it's like 30 years old. You know, what do you expect? You know, you can't expect perfection. Coming in on the passenger side, it's the same configuration here. They put E46 325 CI seats in here. There's some stains in the carpet. I mean, for the most part, it's pretty clean, you know. This also is functioning like how it's supposed to. Like, I can't believe E46 seats work in an E31. That's bonkers. Let you guys see the headliner. The headliner is in really good condition. It's not sagging or anything. As you guys know, the sunroof thing has to be, I don't know. I hope it's not leaking, which is why the tape is around it, but we'll just pray. I'm missing this, but apparently it's here, so I gotta figure what's going on with that. This is the back seats when they're both down. I honestly feel like you should just rock it like that because there's absolutely no space for people to come in the back. This is literally just a grand touring car. Yeah. Oh, let me show you guys the trunk. So this trunk is actually pretty cool. There's a good amount of space. Oh my gosh. So you guys, I learned this literally yesterday. So this car comes with 2 batteries. There's one battery here, as you guys can see. And then there's another battery over here. I'll open it up so you guys can see this thing. Look. Look at that. Another terminal. But the car starts and drives fine. So I don't know if anybody can comment below, why does the 8 Series have 2 batteries? That would be very nice. You know, I can understand if it, you know, I don't know. Why would they have 2 batteries? Sounds like an electrical problem issue waiting to happen. Why you guys need 2 batteries? But anyways, we're gonna rock with it. I'm gonna put another battery in there though. Let's see if there's a full tool set. Okay, so most of the stuff is here. That's cool. But yeah, you guys, this is pretty much the 8 Series, you know. I'm going to open the hood. By the way, the hood is one of the most hardest hoods I have ever come across to open. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys it. Hold up, I'm gonna open it here. All right, so as you guys can see, I'm gonna videotape this. Hold up. All right, see, you have to do both hands here, okay? Oh gosh, we gotta reset the process. Come on. Ah! Got it! This is so hard to do, you guys. You have to be here to understand this. So once you finally open the hood, you see this big old V12 engine I'm playing. This is obviously the V8 variant. My 8 series was up badged. So it shows 850 Ci. The 850s came with the V12. This is really an 840 Ci, all right, with the better V8 engine, in my opinion. They're much more reliable, you know, less horror stories from the V12. I don't know if you guys know, but you guys should know that the 840 and the 850 variants, they literally almost look identical. They had the same amount of equipment and everything as well. So if you if you see a debadged one, you couldn't tell whether or not it was an 840 or an 850 because they honestly look literally identical from the outside. I think the V12s, they had more internal stuff that made them a little bit more special, such as the steering. I don't know if you guys look up, the V12 variants had steering in the back. So BMW actually had a thing where when you turned, the back wheels would turn as well too. Pretty bonkers, you know. So but that was only for the V12s, you know. But other than that, I feel like that's like like I said again, the outside appearance, you cannot tell an 840 from an 850 Ci, you know. So anyways, I love the fact that I got the 840 Ci because that's exactly what I wanted. I wanted reliability. I chased reliability only, okay. So yeah, this is my little big old V8 and it is very clean. I'm going to start the car for you guys so you guys can actually hear how well this engine does sound. All right, so this is the key that starts the magic. As you guys can see, it is healthy. This engine is healthy. Very nice and quiet, which I love. No weird ticking sounds, no weird pistons hitting, nothing. Very nice, smooth V8. You guys can hear. No white smoke or anything like that. I honestly feel like these V8s were a lot more reliable than the newer V8s that came after it, you know? So, yeah. Very nice. Very smooth V8. You know? I'm gonna clean up oh man, I can't wait to really start restoring this car because when I put my magic hands on this thing, it's gonna be looking so awesome, so unique, and most importantly, so very clean. So the moment y'all been waiting for, pop-up headlights. Hold up. Freaking lit. So you guys, we have reached the end of the video. I'm going to announce how much I paid for this beautiful history in time. Drum roll please. I paid $4,500 for this awesome 8 series. I know it needs a lot of work, but honestly speaking, for the money I paid for it, I have a lot of room to invest. You know, like I said, you know, a car like this in fair condition like this is in fair condition, honestly, is around $10,000, you know. So best believe I have a lot to, you know, grow upon this, you know. I estimate I should be in the car like another like 2 grand, 2,500 to get it where I need to be at. You understand? Because I'm gonna be dailying this, so I want it to be in very much great condition, especially if I'm gonna be taking it to car meets or going to any, you know, really great places. You know, so I definitely want it to be done correct. But yeah, I paid $4,500 for the car. I think I bought the cheapest 8 Series in the whole world right now. I don't think you'll be able to find a running and driving 8 Series for $4,500 anywhere. I don't know. I don't care where you go, whether it be the 840 or the 850. You're just not gonna find these cars for under $5,000. It's just not happening. Much less under $10,000. It's just not happening. I was just very lucky in getting this car. I always tell people that when I see a deal, I bust through on it. Me no wait upon things. When you see a deal, you have to go through on it. You understand? You know, there's no waiting and procrastinating on things. This is the type of car where you see a deal, you go for it. Okay? There's no hesitations. You know? So, but anyways, you guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. Please follow my Instagram, okay? Sixpack Austin. But yeah, it was a pleasure. I thank you guys for watching the video. Stay positive and be very prepared for the next upcoming videos on this specific car, all right?